In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with WordPress. We'll go from a blank slate to a live professional site using simple, reliable tools that anyone can handle. First, choose your domain name and hosting provider. Pick a domain that's short, memorable, and clearly tied to your website's purpose. If your first choice isn't available, try variations or different domain extensions. For hosting, select a reputable company that offers one-click WordPress installation, strong uptime, responsive support, and a free SSL certificate. Shared hosting is budget-friendly, while managed WordPress hosting offers extra performance and convenience if your budget allows. Next, register your domain and set up hosting. You can buy the domain through your host or a registrar. Either works. Choose a plan that fits your expected traffic and features. Then follow your host's prompts to connect the domain to your hosting account. If you need to update DNS, give it time to propagate. A short delay is normal. Now install WordPress. Log into your hosting dashboard, find the WordPress installer, select your domain, and enter your admin username, a strong password, and your site title. Start the installation and let it complete. When it's done, access your WordPress dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/wpadmin and sign in. Let's configure your website. In settings, set your site title, tagline, time zone, and language so the basics are accurate. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New to browse options. Choose a theme that matches your style and purpose, install it, and activate it. Open the customizer under Appearance to adjust colors, fonts, logos, and layout, previewing changes in real time. Then install essential plugins, an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO to optimize your content, a security plugin to protect your site, and a backup plugin so you can restore quickly if something goes wrong. Keep your plugin list lean for speed and stability. Create your content and core pages. In Pages, add a home page, an about page, and a contact page. If you'll be blogging, go to Posts and create your first article. Under Appearance menus, build a navigation menu, add your key pages, arrange them in the right order, and assign the menu to the main location so visitors can navigate easily. When everything looks good, review your site on desktop and mobile, then publish. Promote it through social media, your email list, and basic SEO best practices to help people find you. Finally, maintain your site by updating WordPress, themes, and plugins regularly, and keep publishing fresh content to engage visitors and improve search rankings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.